Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Okay, we can strip it like this. All the way. Quite a lot of layers. Oh! Okay. Well, it's not that that pink as it should look like, but now it looks better. Okay. 3 more to go. That was easy. Okay, 2 more. Okay, and the smaller one is done. Well, it's quite a mess, but let's see. From 480 grams we have pure nice copper. Yeah. About 140 grams, which is I don't know, very roughly, a little bit under third. 140 grams. Okay. So the tin or that lead, let's see how much does that weigh. 185 grams. Well, that's quite a lot. So yeah, 185 grams and about 140 grams copper, and the rest of it is insulation and a little bit steel. Well, tin or lead, they are also valuable, so we have 100 and about, let's say 150 grams crap over here. Well, let's see that bigger cable. Okay, well, we got all our 4 pieces. One is a little bit smaller, but that's okay. Still really nice copper. And let's see. So it was 1 kilo and 168 grams. Copper from it is, holy fork, half a kilo. That's good. That's really good. There is a 3 euros. 3 euros. 3 bucks or 3.5 bucks, or I don't know in your currency, but here in Finland 3 euros. That's nice. And that piece of tin or lead or whatever that is, we have some exactly 400 grams. So we have 900 grams of usable stuff, and only maybe about 200, a little less than, no, over 200 grams of crap. But Tell me, is it worth the time or not? Well, actually I think it is. You can get quite easily that sheet metal off. The only hard part is that sticky shit and removing that lead or tin or whatever that is, and getting to that copper, as you saw, just peeling off like onion, and here you have nice amount of copper. And oh yeah, since I said earlier that I have 2 meters, that cable and the other one. So for example, these are 25 centimeter pieces, 1 meter, 2 kilos, 2 meters, 4 kilos, and we are talking about 24 euros just from a copper. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Now you know what's inside and is it worth your time. Thank you. Bye.